around the world, grasslands are steadily turning into deserts. Until recently, no one knew why. Noticed that as human populations expand, wild grazing animals often disappear due to hunting and loss of habitat. Inspired by Charles Darwin and the grazing research done by Andre Voisin, Allen wondered if local plants had somehow evolved a dependency on grazing animals. With wild herds gone, the plants were also dying. To test this hypothesis, Allen and his team brought large groups of cattle to a region of dying grasslands. They moved the cattle in special herd formations designed to mimic the behavior of wild grazers which once lived in the area. In less than 1 year, the grasslands began to recover. After 3 years, they were thriving. Our understanding of the evolutionary relationships between grasslands and grazing animals is still fairly primitive, but it appears that in most seasonally dry places of the world, plants depend on wild grazers to till the soil with their feet, fertilize with their dung and urine, and remove excess vegetation so that new shoots can grow when the rains return. Understanding how these evolutionary relationships